guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I have a house tour for you guys today, and I know you're probably thinking, how can this girl possibly have another house to show us? So this house is actually not my house. I used to live in this house. It's actually the house that me and Joel used to live in when we first got married. So it's actually my dad's house, one of his houses that he renovated. He bought it when it was just a complete dump and just completely gutted it and flipped the house. So he kind of wanted to go for like a Victorian style, sorry, this is crooked. He kind of wanted to go for like a Victorian style house, so you'll see that a lot in like the decorations and stuff and the furniture. And I don't know about you guys, but house tours are one of my very favorite videos to watch. Other than makeup videos, they're probably like my favorite YouTube video to watch. I love seeing people's houses. So yeah, if you guys would like to see the house, then keep watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button below. And also comment on what you think about my new intro, if you like it better or worse than the one I had before. Okay guys, so when you walk in the house, this is the entrance. And my family is looking at the house right now, so kind of ignore that. This is the formal living room. It's got this really pretty fireplace and then kind of like vintage Victorian furniture. So my dad really likes that. So here's an overview of the formal living room. And the staircase. Then when you walk in here is the dining room.
She's a little murderer. I don't know what you call it.
Got this nice fireplace. My family's in the background, so sorry about that. Yeah, my dad really likes antique stuff. So here's just an overview of the dining room. And then there's a bathroom in here. There's a lot of bathrooms in this house. So this is the bathroom. And the kitchen. Kitchen's kind of like brightest room in the house. It's a little messy, but my dad is living here right now. So here's the kitchen. There's actually 2 staircases in this house. Then there's another bathroom back here as well. It's got like an old-fashioned toilet. So here is just an overview of the bathroom. And here I think it's just a laundry room. I have a stuffy nose, so please just ignore that. It's just a laundry room. And a little seating area. And there's one more room I was going to show you guys. It's like the other kind of living area.
Here, let's move out.
No, it's fine.
Oh, right here. Let's go up this way. Down this room.
Okay, so this is the upstairs. Here is one bedroom. It's really cozy.
That wasn't that long ago.
This is the best.
How many?
It's the best.
Sorry, it's a little dark in here. And then here is the bathroom. So it's just got like a big bathtub and a shower.
There she is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she's vlogging.
Then here is the other, like the master bedroom.
Well, you got a nice place, man.
A little weird.
Sorry, it's a little bit dark in here. That didn't help much. There's another small room in here, but there's not much to show because it's really small. And here is the balcony.